drop of a hat.
At the drop of a hat means immediately, without any delay.
Look, I don't need to cut corners, Kev. I can make weight.
The deadline was tight, and I had to cut corners. I had no paperwork at all.
To cut corners means to take shortcuts or do something in a hasty or substandard manner.
When you first see a new picture, you don't want to miss the boat.
Listen, Jack, we're going to miss the boat on this one if we don't go now.
I'm going to miss the boat trip, aren't I?
They're never going to leave on time.
Miss the boat means to miss an opportunity or be too late.
I had the guest list, the whole 9 yards.
He rented all the equipment, the whole 9 yards.
We stick together, we go the whole 9 yards. Agreed? Agreed.
The whole 9 yards means everything, all the way, the full extent.
Caught between two stools.
Caught between two stools means unable to choose between two alternatives.